Hi guys, welcome back to another video from me. My name is Cameron and this is my channel. So in today's video, we are going to be doing yet another little Boxycharm little boxing and little like try on afterwards. So we'll just start off with opening her. Oh, I already opened it and already sort of looked. So you just see that the little postcard is the Make Waves. It's got a little bird, it's got a little boat. And then, so all of this has all the prices and stuff for everything. So we're just gonna go with that. First, we're just gonna go on with this cute thing, upside down. It is the Glam Glow Gentle Bubble Cleanser. And this retails for $28. This is huge. I think this is the biggest thing I've ever gotten. So this is a full size. So we'll try that to wash all this makeup off after today. So that's the first thing. The next thing is gonna be the Alamar Colorette Blush Trio. It's gonna be those 3 shades. Oh, and it comes with a little mirror in it too. Cute. The next one, and this is $22. The next thing is gonna be the Ciate London. Ciate London Eye Luster Cream Eyeshadow, and I got the shade. Does the shade or shade? Shade. I'm guessing Cupid. So this is what it looks like. Ooh, I'm gonna do a little swatch. I'll do one right here. That's pretty. Oh my god, the worst at this. So that is gonna be the color. It's like a kind of like purple. Ooh, and it's like, ooh, shifty. So that's the third thing, and this is $22 too. The next is going to be the Pure Pro Eyelash Curler. Ooh, yeah, let me just give her a little whirl. I'm like the worst at this. Oh, okay, so we'll just set that aside for later. And this is $18, and then the next thing is gonna be this little guy. It's a Violet Voss liquid lipstick, and this one is in the shade Hot Fire. So let's see, how do you do this? $12 is how much this retails for, and I'm just putting this right next to the eyeshadow, which it's kind of like, I don't know, is it like a metallic? It's kind of like metallic. So there's that one. We'll see how she does too. And that one is $12. So yeah, and let's see. Let me try to count this. So this is 28 plus 22. So that is 40 plus the 8. That's 50. 50 plus 22. That's 72. And then plus 12, it's 84. And then plus 18, that's 90, and then 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 1, 2. So 102 is what I'm seeing. If I'm right, I'll put a little ding right there or something. And yeah, so let's get into the look. I'm gonna just go ahead and do everything, and I'll just film each portion of what comes next, and we'll be right back. Okay, so we're back, and I just did, base makeup. I did a little bit of eyeshadow, and then I'm gonna put this on, and then I'll do my little, what is this? Blush, eyeshadow, blush, and then the lip, and then we'll be done, pretty much. So, just gonna go ahead and open the little palette. These are the 3 shades, Desert, Oasis, and Candela. I'm gonna sort of, those are the 3 shades. Yikes. I'm gonna wipe my hand off on a paper towel, and where's that brush? Use this one. No, I'm not gonna use one. Use this one. Just some little Morphe E4, and just like barely gonna tap into Candela, which is this one, Candela, and just get style. And just put it there. Oh yeah, that is pigmented. too pigmented. It makes me look like I'm like I have a sunburn or something. So then I'm just gonna take some setting powder and just tone that down. Just some setting powder just to tone down that blush because oh my head, that's a lot of blush. Looks like I got a sunburned. Okay, maybe we'll just tap a little into this deserted one. Like that. I made it look even worse. Okay, we're done with blush. I'm putting this somewhere else. And I'm gonna wipe this off. And I'm gonna tap into some setting powder. Okay, that's a lot. Okay. It's a lot of blush. But that is it for the blush. Then I'm just gonna go ahead and take my little eye luster by the cream eyeshadow by Ciate London. Gonna use a little mirror from this little palette right here. I'm just gonna paint. One eye. Ain't too bad, ain't too bad. And then I'm just gonna take that same sort of brush. I was using this little crown palette right here with all these shades in it. Just gonna take that sort of darker color that I had. Just sort of try to pack it in the end, in the corner. Just to let them blend together. And pretty much it. And that is basically the look right there. I'm gonna go ahead, put this on, and then I'll do lashes and stuff really quick. And then I don't think I like this. I don't know what this is. Is this a liquid lip or is it like a, where's the little packaging? I do not like this. What the fuck is this? Where's the... What's this? Liquid lipstick. I like digging in here. Yeah, this is a no. That's a no for me. And then I'm gonna curl my little lashes. This lipstick looks ugly. Looks like an old granny. Lipstick. I do not like that. I think I'm gonna take that off. Maybe it looks a little bit better now. Just gonna go ahead and put this little, what is this, ColourPop shade number Midnight Snack. Yeah. That looks so much better. Okay, there's that one. We'll be back. I'm gonna put some eyelashes on, do some, what is it called? Little eyeliner, and we'll be right back. And we're back, and this is the completed look with the everything that was in the Make Waves monthly box of the Boxycharm this month. I did not use this. I did use it and then I wiped off, you probably saw. And I just went ahead and I put on this ColourPop lipstick and what shade? Midnight Snack. And then I did put on lip gloss. And yeah, I did put on, since I didn't use the Violet Voss lipstick, I used Violet Voss lashes. And these were, and I do not care. So that's the little eyelashes and the little look. I really do like this. What is this? Liquid eyeshadow. Looks really cute. I'm gonna do a second coat. Let's see how it does with the second coat. See if it gets brighter. It's pretty. And yeah, and that is the look, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.